Hi, what's up, buddy? We're gonna talk about Bitcoin special news. Bitcoin seems to be finding support at 40,000. So, what could make it go down to 30,000? And what could make it go up, break out, and go up to 50,000, 60,000? That's what we are going to talk about. Cryptocurrency market overall hasn't moved. It's 0.000%. So, it's not like stock market. Stock market were going down, in the past few weeks. Now they came back up again, and crypto markets are pretty much stable, other than the drop to 39,000 for Bitcoin. And I think it's because investors are waiting for news. Yeah, the Federal Reserve, what they are going to say about the regulations around cryptocurrency. So let's look at cryptocurrency right now. Every Almost every cryptocurrency, especially the biggest one, the top 20s, hasn't moved so much except for Cardano. Cardano moved up 8.34%. And, and look at Shiba Inu, is only 3040. If it's over 40, I'm interested because it's gonna be breakout. Shiba Inu breakouts of above 40, that I'm interested. So comment down below where you're watching from, and your city, your state, and do you have any Shiba Inu or Dogecoin? Dogecoin move up a little bit. It used to be 15 cents, now it move on to 18 cents. It's because Tesla uh, accepted the Dogecoin as a payment. At their stores. March, you can buy March and stuff like that. Terra hasn't moved so much, 85. It used to be over $100. And Avalanche below $100. I really like Avalanche. I like Polygon. Polygon is finding a support around $2. And if you look at crypto.com, it's 0.46, and Uniswap has moved. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is a DeFi exchange. So if you cannot find any cryptocurrency that you want to buy on Coinbase, you can go to Uniswap to buy that cryptocurrency. And if you are just starting out, you can get a free cryptocurrency. Just go to any of my YouTube video and just look for in the description, get free Bitcoin crypto. Just open an account, and just deposit $100. Then you get free Bitcoin. So that's my present to you. Okay, let's look at Fundem. Fundem has moved quite a bit, 11.72%. And Cosmos is 7.27%. So the other cryptocurrency, they are pretty much stable. They haven't moved so much yet. So there is a news from Kosovo. There is a panic among Bitcoin miners because Kosovo is having energy crisis because their energy is so cheap. The government subsidize. They use low grade coal, and so they are temporarily banning the crypto mining, Bitcoin mining. There's a lot of panic, and they are selling a lot of Bitcoin mining machines, or they are trying to move it to neighboring countries. So basically, this frenetic social media action follows an end of year announcement by Kosovo's government of immediate that temporary, maybe temporary, who knows, how it could last, ban all crypto mining activity as part of emergency measures to ease the crippling energy crisis. Of course, they are having energy crisis because they use a low grade coal, and they are also subsidizing the government. And also remember, Kosovo is one of the poorest European country. So a lot of people tend to the crypto mining, Bitcoin mining, is because Bitcoin is very high price. So of course, everybody moves to Kosovo to utilize their cheap energy prices, and also there is a majority population refused to recognize Kosovo as an independent state, and they have not paid for electricity for more than 2 decades. 2 decades in the northern part of the country. So that's very, very, very serious issue. So what is my thought on this? As Bitcoin miners move out, they are shutting down the Bitcoin miners. There could be a temporary shortage in the supply, but Kosovo is not popular for the high mining communities. So I think that effect will be minimal. But if the whole world ban Bitcoin mining, that could cause the Bitcoin to drop temporarily. But because there is a lack of supply, if there is a demand for that, Bitcoin price could go up. Another thing is there is a news from Congress. Congress thinking about introducing digital coin, central bank digital coin (CBDC). So Jerome Powell said, a private cryptos could coexist with a central bank issued digital currency (CBDC), but congressman, the Republicans doesn't like it. Minnesota Republican Tom Emmer doesn't like it because, of course, if you are issuing central bank crypto digital currency, people need to register. So if they register, it's centralized. It's not defined. It's just defeats the whole purpose of defined application. Like cryptocurrency. So, but one good thing is that if Jerome Powell is saying that they are going to introduce CBDC, they're not going to ban cryptocurrency. That for sure, a lot of technology. If they ban cryptocurrency, a lot of blockchain technology could move to overseas. Americans wouldn't be able to use those technology, and also they're not gonna get tax money. A lot of people make money on crypto gains. They're gonna lose all the tax revenue from that. So I don't think they're gonna ban. So, but it will be interesting to see in the next few weeks or probably next month. Their regulations could be clearer. So that's why a lot of investors are waiting for the cryptocurrency news to come out to be clear. So that's why they haven't moved yet. But if there is a bad news, so I believe Bitcoin could go down to 30,000. If it breaks 39 or 38,000, the next level will be 30,000. But if not, if it's good news come out, then it's gonna be breaking off 50,000 and potentially head to 60,000. Another thing is Arkansas is offering remote tech workers 10,000 Bitcoin to move there. So this is very news. They want the talent. They want science, STEM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, and blockchain professions. So they have an incentive program. So if you move there, they're gonna give you 10,000, but you have to move within 6 months out of acceptance into the program. Sign a 1-year lease or buy a home. Buy a house or move to the Northwest Arkansas. So to be eligible for that. So yeah, a lot. I could see a lot of states are probably offering more cryptocurrency Bitcoin, to just attract talent in blockchain technology. Another thing is astonishing, an investment giant just advised countries and central banks to buy Bitcoin. Who is that? Fidelity. Fidelity said, hey, Bitcoin is now very low, 40,000. Hey, if you are thinking about following El Salvador and Tesla, you should do it now because if you are countries or central bank or even the companies, you better make use of the low price. You will be better off competitively than your peers. You don't want to lose out. You make the best use of it. And another thing that I think Bitcoin 40,000 is a kind of bottom is because of option. Option, a lot of put options are going down. Put options for Bitcoins are going down, and call options are going up. So basically, that means that more people are getting bullish on the Bitcoin, and fewer people are bearish on the Bitcoin. So I think 40,000 is kind of like bottom. And another thing is that the US billionaire Bemaher bets 50% of his wealth in Bitcoin. 50%, that's a lot of wealth. So he must be really confident about it. Bitcoin. He said that Bitcoin is the only economic entity where supply is affected by the demand. Yeah, he's right. But Bitcoin competitors could be Ethereum, because if you are thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, there are so many competition. Bitcoin, Ethereum, but I believe if Bitcoin is gonna become like digital gold, Ethereum will be like digital silver. So a lot of people invest in silver, and they also invest in gold. So they are not giving up either one of them. So he invests in 50% of his wealth in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. He also advised, if you're a new investor, if you can put 1% of your portfolio in diversification, even if it goes to zero, which he thinks highly improbable. It's very, very impossible for cryptocurrency to go to zero. But you can still afford to lose 1%. Personally, I prefer to put 10% in cryptocurrency. 10% is easy to make up. If there could be outside gain, that 10% could become 30%, 40%, 50%. Then I can basically take profits for that. So if you are thinking about starting in cryptocurrency or starting in stock, you can get free stocks, by opening an account here. You can start with $1. If you open an account M1 Finance, you can basically buy high price stocks like Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Berkshire Hathaway. You can just invest $1. So you can start for the M1 Finance. You can get free Bitcoin and cryptocurrency down below. If you are pay more than $50 for your cell phone, you can click on this thing. It's only $15 a month, 1 5 a month. I use it. I never have any issues. I like it, so you can use this one. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any comment, you just comment down below. I subscribe and put your questions. I'm gonna reply to every comment. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.